Hello, everybody. Welcome to the beginning of the week, and you know what it is? It is Mike on Monday from GTS. How you doing, Mike P?
Hey, Liv, how are you?
I'm well, thank you. How are you today?
Awesome day.
Well, it's great to start the week with you, especially because you are known for having like a watch list. So let's get into that. Number one, Mike, China. What do we need to know about China?
So you see the market pull back a little bit this morning. Talk over the weekend that China came off the table again. However, they're looking at the tariffs, right? That's been the big talk, tariffs and what's going on with tariffs. So you saw flexibility in the U.S. where, originally tariffs were supposed to be around 25% and they went to 10%. And I guess that's why we saw that market rally through 26,000 and you saw that positive reaction over the last week. And now you see China pull off the table again and they don't want to talk. So you just hope in the next week or two that they'll come back together again and hopefully, meet again at back at the table again in the next couple of weeks.
Yeah, it certainly is. You can tell by how the negotiations are going with how the market is going. And we are in a little bit of red today. But number two, Mike, on your watch list, the Fed. Why is this Fed decision important this Wednesday?
So I don't know necessarily if it's the Fed decision because, since the beginning of January, the talk has been three rate moves, right? So if the Fed does go with what they were saying and we see that quarter point move, it's more about the tone going forward. And, what does the Fed think going into the last meeting of the year? So I think you have to pay attention to their tone and what they say going forward.
Very important. Very mucho important, I'll tell you. Now, number three, literally the end of the quarter. What are your expectations there, Mike?
So, we see this big volume event on Friday, right, where all this volume comes back into the market. We had a quadruple expiration. Last week also IPO pipeline heats up again. And, that summer doldrum and that the holidays in the beginning of September kind of are by us now. And you see the market heating up. I don't expect any real big moves going into the next couple of days or in the next week and a half or so, but I really think we're going to have to look at earnings in the next 2 weeks, which is going to heat up again. And then also, again, midterm elections.
Also make for some great combo. Mike, thank you so much for meeting me on Mondays and have a good week. We'll see you next one.
Great seeing you, Liv. Have a great day.